Here we are, first video. It's my wife doing some work. I'm gonna powder coat this 1/16 ounce ice fishing spoon. So this is from Lure Parts Online, wonderful company out of Springfield, Illinois, the state capital, land of Lincoln. So I'm going to do this one in Super Glow Yellow. This is a Protect powder paint. Now I don't have a heat gun yet, so I'm going to use a bent edge pliers here, and I'm just going to softly heat it over the flame. Surprised my wife isn't Snapchatting this. It'll take about 12 to 15 seconds to heat it to the 350 degrees. That'll make the paint melt. You don't want to get too hot or the lead will melt like that. That one's garbage.
Bloopers for sure.
Oh yeah, bloopers. Well, that's a blooper. For all you fishermen, real outdoorsmen out there, I would encourage you to try this product instead of Copenhagen, which I chewed for 15 years. Once this jig gets hot, all you're gonna do is dip it in the powder paint that you fluffed, and it should come out with a perfect coat of yellow on it. You can always reheat it a little bit. That'll help the paint set. I'm using a lovely peppermint scented candle. You just add a split ring and a treble hook, and you've got a fantastic lure.